So hi and welcome to another video, and this one's a little bit different from what you're used to. We're going to be putting a dbrand skin on my Razer Advanced 2080. Now, I've not done one of these before and decided to purchase this from dbrand. It cost me $45 US plus import into the UK, so this is a pretty expensive skin for me. So I'm hoping it's going to resolve the fingerprint issue that this 2080 has, which is pretty bad if you're used to them. This has been cleaned and it's still got fingerprints on it. It's just the glossy finish. The Razers have always had this. I had the 2015 model and had the same problem, so decided to purchase this dbrand skin here in Swarm Black. So hopefully it's going to look pretty good. So let's go through the installation and then I'll show you what it looks like after we've done this video, and we can talk about how easy it was and what problems we've had, if any. Hopefully it's very easy. So let's get on with it.
Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on. Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
So here we are with the dbrand Swarm skin now on the 2018 Advanced non-Ethernet edition here, and you can see it took a little bit of effort of realigning it. One good thing to note here is the dbrand skin can be applied several times, in fact a lot. It never lost its stickiness, and this is one of the things they say on their installation video on their website. You do need a hairdryer for the corners to make sure they shrink to it. As you can see, without that you do kind of get these little lumps in it, but once you apply the hairdryer it doesn't need too much heat. It's really easy and you can stretch the skin as you like, no problem whatsoever. So is the skin worth the £45? Well, I think it's a little bit expensive, but it certainly gives a nice finish here. If you've got the money to spend it, this is a £3 laptop here, and I think it's worth it to protect it. These Razers are more susceptible to like the USB scraping it or maybe catching the edges, and the skin is going to protect that. As you can see, it only protects the top and the base. Certainly allows it to be a little bit more grippy here, and I think it looks like a nice effect. You can get this dbrand skin without the logo being exposed. I wanted it so you could still see the logo. There's another option where it can be hidden and it kind of embosses into it. Makes it a little bit more unrecognizable, I guess. I didn't get the one for the keyboard and touchpad here because I don't particularly like it on there, but you can get that as well. It's going to be interesting to see how this lasts with heat because these Razer blades get quite hot when they're gaming. So it's going to be interesting to see if the skin is affected by this. Hopefully not. But overall, I think it gives a nice look here. It certainly gives it a good finish, and hopefully we'll see how this lasts going forward. So as always, I'll put the links in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye bye.